Struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office? In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to set up your QLOCOM Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS button. It's a plug-and-play process that takes just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and plug into power. First, unbox your QLOCOM range extender. Inside the box, you will get range extender itself, LAN cable, and quick user guide. Now take Wi-Fi extender and plug into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Make sure it's turned on and wait for the power LED to light up solid green, indicating the device is ready. Step 2. Press WPS button on router. Go to your Wi-Fi router and press the WPS button for 2 seconds and then release. Step 4. Press WPS button on extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your QLOCOM extender for 2 seconds and release. The extender's WPS LED will start blinking as it attempts to connect to the router. Wait for about 30 to 40 seconds while the extender and router establish a connection. Once connected, the signal LED on the extender will turn solid blue, confirming a successful connection. Go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi, and you will find a new Wi-Fi SSID name, same as your home Wi-Fi name followed by EXT. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your home Wi-Fi password to connect it. Step 6. Relocate and use. Now you can unplug the extender and place it in a location where the Wi-Fi signal is weak, but still reachable by the router signal, ideally about halfway between the router and the dead zone. Make sure the LED signal strength indicator shows good connectivity. That's it. If this video helped you eliminate your Wi-Fi dead zones, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.